This video, I'm going to show you how to add a Shopify appointment booking on your Shopify account. So first thing you need to do is to log into your Shopify account. After logging into your Shopify account, all you need to do is to go ahead and go to your dashboard. And after going to your dashboard, as you can see from the left side corner, you would see apps. Click on add apps. After clicking on add apps, all you need to do is to just go ahead and go to Shopify App Store. After going to Shopify App Store, all you need to do is to wait. Then you have to search for booking. After searching for booking, just click on the first app that would go in, and this is where we go in. We have appointment booking app, this is a booking app to take appointments and bookings on your calendar. So all you need to do is to just click this and then add this app to your Shopify, and that's it. That's how you would be able to have a Shopify appointment booking app on your Shopify.